3 days without them. Am I a bad mom? I need this. I need to breathe.
Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay, sweetie. It's okay.
Mom, where's my homework? I need it now.
I can't. Everything at once. Too much. It's too much.
Anna, are you okay?
I love them so much, but I'm so tired.
You need a break. A real break.
But who will take care of them?
Me. I will go somewhere, just for you.
Dear, you look so tired.
I'm fine. Just busy.
A tired mom can't help anyone. You need rest.
But if I leave, am I being selfish?
No, dear. You're being human.
Hi! Are you going to the beach?
Yes. Alone. Just me.
That sounds wonderful. What do you want to try?
Surfing. I've never. I'm scared.
This one is perfect. Everyone is scared at first.
Maybe I can be brave. They're okay. Peter's got them. Why does it feel so hard to leave? I can do this. Just 3 days. It's so quiet. The water looks scary. Maybe I should go home.
Mommy, when are you coming home?
In 3 days, baby. I promise.
Mom, are you having fun without us?
I miss you both so much.
Anna, they're fine. You deserve this.
Okay, I'll try.
Good morning. Ready to surf?
I don't know. I'm really scared.
That's normal. Fear means you're trying something new.
The waves are so big.
Today, just lie on the board. Feel the water. That's all.
Okay, just feel the water. It's freezing.
One step. Just one.
I can do this. I can do this. Oh, it's too strong.
You're okay. I'm here.
Okay, I'm okay. I only went in the water for 5 minutes. I can't even surf. I'm useless.
Mommy, you're the bravest.
Brave. She thinks I'm brave.
Today, try to stand. Just for 1 second.
I'm so scared, Mike.
It's okay to be scared. Try anyway. You stood, even for half a second.
I did? I really did? Again. I want to try again. 2 seconds. I did 2 seconds.
You're getting it. Keep going.
I'm not giving up. Not today.
Good evening. Table for one?
Yes, just me.
You look happy tonight.
I fell 10 times today, but I stood up 11.
That's beautiful.
Today feels different.
See that wave? It's perfect for you.
I'm ready. I think I'm ready.
Paddle, paddle now.
It's lifting me. I feel it. I'm doing it. I'm really doing it. It's getting stronger. Don't fall. Don't fall now. I did it. I really did it.
Anna, that was amazing.
I was so scared. But I didn't give up.
Mom, Dad said you're surfing.
I did it today, Bobby. I stood on the board.
Mommy, you're so brave.
You know what? I was scared. Really scared.
But you did it anyway?
Yes, I fell many times. But I kept trying.
Like when I learned to ride my bike.
Exactly like that, sweetie. Exactly like that. Three days ago, I felt empty. Now, I feel strong again. I'm ready. Ready to go home.
Mommy, you're back.
We missed you so much.
I missed you more. So much more.
You look different.
I feel different. I feel like me again. It's okay to be scared. Just try again.
Try again.
Don't give up.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.